Donald Trump entered court swinging.
It's a very sad situation for our country. We shouldn't have this. This is for third world countries. And very unfair. It's very unfair.
Inside, he was no less combative. On the stand for a civil fraud trial, the former US president bragged about his properties and wealth and sparred with the judge, calling him hostile. Justice Arthur Engoron returned serve, instructing defence lawyers to control their client, declaring, "This is not a political rally, this is a courtroom."
He rambled, he hurled insults, but we expected that. At the end of the day, the documentary evidence demonstrated that, in fact, he falsely inflated his assets to basically enrich himself and his family.
The judge has already found Donald Trump and his adult sons committed fraud by inflating the value of their assets to secure favourable loans. But Mr. Trump argued they were actually undervalued.
The judge doesn't like when President Trump explains what actually happened because it's not good for his narrative.
Donald Trump made no attempt to improve his relationship with the presiding judge, seemingly resigned to the fact that he will lose this case. But according to recent polls, despite all his legal troubles, he remains a real shot in the 2024 presidential race and could return to the White House.
This trial cannot put Trump in prison, but could stop him and his sons from doing business in their home state. Eldest daughter Ivanka Trump has been called to testify.
I do think she represents the kind of danger to other Trump family members that perhaps the sons do not represent.
Ivanka has mostly maintained a public silence since the family left the White House. Unlike her father. Carrington Clark, ABC News, New York.